In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your SteamApps folder. Maybe you are troubleshooting a mod, moving files, or just curious where your games actually live on your drive. Whatever the reason, we're going to use the most reliable method built right into Steam so you always land in the correct location. Even if you've installed games on a different drive. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. This is the place where all your installed games are listed. Pick any game that's already installed on your computer. It doesn't matter which one because we're just using it as a doorway to the folders we want. Right-click that installed game to open its context menu. From there, go to Manage and then click Browse Local Files. Steam will immediately open your file explorer right inside that game's folder. This is the game's installation directory, and it's a great anchor point because Steam takes you to the exact location. No guesswork needed. Now that you are in the games folder, look at the navigation path at the top of your file explorer. Go up one level to the folder named Common. This common folder is where Steam stores the actual files for your installed games. If you ever need to check another game's files manually, this is the hub you'll use. If you need the broader Steam library structure, go up one more level from Common. That brings you to the SteamApps folder. This is the heart of a Steam library. Inside SteamApps, you'll find the common folder we just visited, along with other folders and manifest files that tell Steam which games are installed and where. This is also where you'll often see workshop content and other data Steam manages for you. A quick note on why this approach is so helpful. Many people have more than one Steam library across different drives. Using Browse Local Files ensures you are taken to the correct library every time, without hunting through settings or guessing paths. It works the same whether you are on a default install or a custom location. A couple of tips before you leave these folders. Be careful not to move or delete files unless you know exactly what they do, as that can break installations. If you need to verify or repair a game, it's better to do that through Steam rather than by changing files here. That's it. Thanks for watching.